Welcome to iNeedz LLC, your trusted destination for all your mobile needs in Denver. At iNeedz LLC, we specialize in screen replacement, data transfer, and providing a wide range of unlocked mobile devices. Did you accidentally crack your phone screen? Our skilled screen technicians are here to help. Our expert technicians can travel directly to your location, making the screen replacement process convenient and hassle-free. No need to visit a store. Simply schedule an appointment, and our technicians will be there to restore your phone to its former glory. Planning to upgrade to a new device? We've got you covered with our seamless data transfer service. Our experienced team will securely transfer your personal information from your old device to your new phone, ensuring a smooth transition. Looking for a new mobile device? Explore our wide selection of unlocked phones and tablets. We offer the latest models, giving you the freedom to choose the device that best fits your needs. Whether you're a business professional or an individual seeking the perfect phone, we have options for everyone. Need assistance or have questions? Our dedicated representatives are here to help. Schedule a virtual appointment, and our representatives will provide personalized guidance based on your requirements. Prefer face-to-face interaction? Our representatives are available for in-person meetings to discuss your mobile needs. To learn more about our services, browse our unlocked devices or schedule an appointment. Visit our website at iNeedsLLC.com. On our website, you'll find detailed information about our screen replacement services, data transfer, and the latest unlocked devices we offer. Conveniently located in Denver, Colorado, we serve the local community with our exceptional mobile services. If you're in the Denver area, iNeedz LLC is your go-to destination for all your mobile needs. iNeedz LLC, your trusted partner for screen replacement, data transfer, and unlocked mobile devices in Denver, Colorado.